The French investment giant Amundi, managing assets worth more than €2 trillion, is preparing to launch its first Bitcoin ETF. This is reported by the Big Whale, citing sources within the company. If the information is confirmed, Amundi will become the first major European institution to officially join the strategy of BlackRock, whose American investment product on Bitcoin has become the company's most profitable product and one of the key drivers of institutional capital inflow into digital assets. According to the Big Whale, the launch is scheduled for the beginning of the year 2026. For Amundi, this step will be the first direct entry into the crypto market, which the company has long watched from the sidelines, observing the rapid success of American counterparts. For example, BlackRock's ETF owns 774,715 BX, which is about 4% of Bitcoin's total supply on the market. According to Arkham, the total value of these assets exceeds $88 billion. In total, over 20 months EBIT has become BlackRock's most profitable product, surpassing even the ETF on the S&P 500, and now controls almost two-thirds of the American Bitcoin ETF market. According to experts, Amundi's entry into the Bitcoin ETF market could radically change the European crypto investment infrastructure. The emergence of such a player will add additional legitimacy to the sector and may accelerate the institutional adoption of digital assets in the EU. When a European giant with a capital of €2 trillion finally enters the market, it becomes clear that institutional FOMO is just beginning. The year 2026 is closer than it seems, noted the user Cryptier. This article does not contain investment advice or recommendations. Every investment and trading decision is associated with risk. Viewers of the channel should conduct their own research before making decisions. Ethereum may fall to $4,200 in the coming days, and then turn around and head toward $5,500. Such a forecast was given by Mark Newton, managing director of the analytical company Fundstrat. The weakening of the cryptocurrency market doesn't cause me particular concern. I expect Ethereum to reach its bottom within the next 1 to 2 days, after which it will go up again, Newton stated. His comment was published on social network X by the head of Bitmine and advisor to Fundstrat, Tom Lee. Newton noted a small three-wave pullback, which, according to him, should end over the weekend. The analyst pointed out that Ethereum has already corrected its September growth. The analyst suggested a decline to $4,200, a level that will provide an optimal support zone before the upward movement. On October 7, Ethereum rose to a weekly high of $4,755 but then showed weakness. On October 9, the price briefly dropped to $4,265. The asset is demonstrating sideways movement in a range that formed after the first breakout of the $4,000 mark in early August this year. Analyst Benjamin Cohen believes that the price will fluctuate in the current range until the bull market support band reaches the current levels. This could take several more weeks. Grayscale is actively accumulating and staking Ethereum for its recently launched product. According to Arkham Intelligence data, the company has deposited hundreds of millions of dollars into the Beacon chain in recent days. Ethereum is quietly becoming the foundation of global finance, stated Joseph Challam, founder and CEO of SharpLink. According to him, Ethereum is the main investment opportunity of the decade and the foundation of trust for the future financial system. SharpLink Gaming is the second largest company in the world by Ethereum reserve volume, holding 838,730 ETH worth about $3.67 billion. Meanwhile, Tom Lee's Bitmine continues to accumulate the asset. On October 9, the company added another 23,823 ETH to its treasury, worth about $103 million, Arkham reports. Institutional demand for Ethereum is strengthening as the asset consolidates in the current range. If Newton's forecast comes true, the coming days could give traders the last opportunity to enter a position before they move to $5,500.